Hi everyone, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So I am back with another tutorial video of how you can remove card from Shein. So first, before starting, make sure you have installed Shein application on your mobile phone, or you can also do the same method from the official website of Shein. But here I'm using Shein application, so let's go. Open up your Shein application, and then now in order to remove card from Shein, you'll have to order something first, or you'll have to just select any of the product you like to. So I'm just adding it to my cart and go ahead and check on your cart section. So once you have done that, tap on the checkout, and now you'll be appear with the payment details. So in order to remove card from Shein, make sure you haven't saved or added a card number or any card for the future use, or if you have already added a card previously, then what you can do is tap on place order, and then here, as you can see, remember this card for future use. Make sure that you have turned that off and you haven't added any card number. So once it's done, the card you have added to Shein will be removed. And while you are doing the payment method while purchasing anything from Shein, make sure you have turned off that option, which is remember this card for future use, and doing so will successfully help you remove your card from Shein, and your card will be only used on one-time purchase. If you want to save it, you can just enable it, and that's all. This is how it is, easy and simple. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.